Grand awakening, Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage with me. Check out the music, the NFTs, the ebooks. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is inner beauty. Do you believe in your beauty? Because inner beauty, you can't buy that stores. You can't buy that online. You can't buy that at Amazon. You are actually oozing with the aura or the image of God. Your light is shining because what you have has to do with love, prosperity, going through pain, weathering the storms. Beauty comes from pain and change. And you have gone through the rigors. You've been through the pain and you have changed. You've come out a beautiful being. So look in the mirror and say, thank you for bending but not breaking. Thank you for not stopping. You are handsome. You are beautiful. You are intoxicatingly lovely. I love you. The world loves you. And that way you'll at least be able to understand and feel what the rest of the world feels and how we look at you. I'll open my eyes of my heart and direct my gaze to the light within every being. Personality, that's physical appearance, and that's the image of man. But your beauty, that's goodness. And that is the image of God. So shine, baby, shine. Keep on going, my kings and queens. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.